The 2026 GAZ-AA is a reborn legend that takes inspiration from the original Soviet GAZ-AA truck, first introduced in the 1930s. This model, while rooted deeply in history, has been reimagined for the modern era with a fusion of classic charm and advanced technology. The designers of the new GAZ-AA aim to preserve the soul of the original vehicle while equipping it with features and materials that meet the demands of today's drivers. Its dark red color gives it a timeless and powerful presence, combining nostalgia with modern sophistication. The truck captures the essence of Russian craftsmanship, durability, and raw mechanical beauty, turning heads wherever it goes. The exterior of the 2026 GAZ-AA maintains the boxy, utilitarian silhouette of its predecessor but refines every curve and contour for improved aerodynamics and strength. The dark red body shines under natural light, creating a deep metallic glow that reflects both vintage aesthetics and modern finishing techniques. The front end features round headlights reminiscent of the 1930s design, but with LED technology integrated seamlessly to provide brilliant illumination. A bold chrome grille bearing the GAZ emblem stands proudly at the center, surrounded by polished details that give the vehicle a luxurious yet rugged appeal. Its large fenders, steel bumpers, and high wheel arches retain the toughness of the classic truck, while the redesigned chassis improves stability and handling on modern roads. The cabin is where the past truly meets the future. The interior combines traditional Soviet simplicity with modern comfort. The steering wheel is crafted from polished wood, paying tribute to the early mechanical era, but behind it lies a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time driving data with stunning clarity. The dashboard blends metal, wood, and leather textures, giving the driver a sense of authenticity and control. The dark red leather seats are thickly padded, offering both comfort and durability for long drives. Every stitch in the upholstery reflects attention to detail, and the soft interior lighting enhances the mood with a warm glow that feels inviting. Even the door panels echo the heritage design, featuring solid metal handles and chrome accents that recall the robust simplicity of early Soviet engineering. The new GAZ-AA's heart lies under its hood. Engineers have replaced the old carbureted engine with a modern hybrid powertrain that balances performance with efficiency. The engine offers smooth acceleration while maintaining the mechanical sound that vintage enthusiasts appreciate. The combination of electric and fuel power provides better torque and cleaner emissions, making this old model fit for a modern world. The mechanical components are beautifully exposed, and the engine bay is designed with both visual appeal and easy maintenance in mind. It preserves the look of an industrial machine but hides advanced engineering beneath the surface. Driving the 2026 GAZ-AA is an experience that connects the driver to the roots of motoring history. The ride feels solid and commanding, with a sense of raw control often missing in modern vehicles. The suspension has been upgraded to handle both smooth highways and rugged terrain, making it as versatile as the original model intended. The sound of the engine, the grip of the steering wheel, and the heavy feel of the metal give an authentic, almost nostalgic sensation. Yet, the inclusion of modern braking systems, adaptive steering, and enhanced visibility ensures safety and ease of operation that far surpasses its predecessor. From the outside, the truck represents a balance between work and beauty. The rear section features a strong steel cargo bed capable of carrying heavy loads, just like the original, but the finish is cleaner and more polished. The tailgate proudly displays the GAZ logo, and the taillights have been redesigned with a mix of retro shape and LED technology. The tires are thick and rugged, designed for both urban and off-road use. Every element, from the side mirrors to the exhaust design, carries a story of evolution, one that honors its Soviet origins while embracing the advancements of modern manufacturing. Overall, the 2026 GAZ-AA is more than just a vehicle, it is a tribute to history and innovation combined. It reminds us of the time when trucks were symbols of hard work, endurance, and mechanical art. This reimagined version keeps that spirit alive, blending nostalgia with progress. The dark red old model stands as a moving monument to Soviet engineering, redefined for the 21st century. It captures the strength of the past and the intelligence of the present, offering a unique driving experience that bridges generations. The GAZ-AA 2026 is not just a truck, it is a timeless legend reborn.